Welcome to Auto Show. Today's spotlight is on something iconic, rugged, and born to conquer, the new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. Yes, the legend is back, and it's more capable and advanced than ever. Let's dive into everything that makes this retro beast a modern-day monster on and off the road. The original FJ45 from the 60s and 70s was a symbol of endurance, simplicity, and unstoppable strength. Toyota has now brought it back, but with a 2026 twist. The new FJ45 keeps the square, boxy bodywork that pays tribute to the classic, but it's now built on a modern platform that enhances comfort, safety, and performance. With its military-grade aesthetics and updated engineering, this FJ isn't just for show, it's built for the wild. Toyota knows how to balance heritage with innovation. The 2026 FJ45 comes with round LED headlamps inspired by the original, a signature slotted grille with vintage Toyota badging, and strong fender flares that scream durability. The front bumper has recovery hooks and integrated fog lamps, making it trail-ready straight from the showroom. At the rear, the flatbed is back, yes, a real pickup bed just like the original, but with a reinforced composite lining and hidden utility compartments. This isn't just a modern off-roader, it's a practical, functional workhorse with a nostalgic soul. Under the hood, the new FJ45 doesn't hold back. You get a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 paired with Toyota's hybrid assist system. It pumps out a massive 415 horsepower and 480 pound-foot of torque, giving it the grunt to tackle steep slopes, sand dunes, and rocky terrains with ease. And with a new 10-speed automatic transmission, the ride is smoother and more responsive. Toyota's new multi-terrain select system lets you adjust traction control and torque settings for mud, rock, snow, or sand with the push of a button. Add to that the locking front and rear differentials and a low-range transfer case, and you're looking at a true off-road warrior. Step inside the cabin, and the surprises continue. The interior is rugged yet premium. You get water-resistant leather seats, an easy-clean floor, and aluminum accents that give it a purposeful look. The dashboard features a 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with off-road readouts like pitch, roll, compass, and elevation. But what makes it even cooler? An inbuilt drone controller. Yes, Toyota offers an optional drone launch bay behind the rear seats for aerial trail scouting, more on that in a minute. Toyota hasn't compromised on safety either. With Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, you get lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, and off-road focused camera views with a 360-degree surround display. Whether you're cruising the highway or climbing boulders, the new FJ45 has your back. Thanks to its hybrid powertrain, the 2026 FJ45 delivers an impressive 21 miles per gallon combined, which is rare for a vehicle this capable. And with a fuel tank capacity of over 23 gallons, this beast gives you a massive range, perfect for remote trails and off-grid adventures. Toyota has designed the new FJ45 for true 4x4 lovers. It features a modular design where the doors, roof panels, and even the windshield can be removed. The optional adventure pack gives you a roof rack, side ladder, auxiliary light bars, a snorkel, and an onboard air compressor. And yes, it's being offered in exclusive retro colors like desert khaki, heritage blue, and sunset orange, all with matte black accents. The look is simply irresistible. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 will start at around $58,000, with top trims reaching close to $72,000. Bookings will begin by March 2026, and limited editions are expected to sell out quickly. So, if you're serious about owning a piece of legendary history reborn, better get ready. And now, the surprise we promised. Toyota has announced that the first 500 buyers of the 2026 FJ45 will get a limited edition Trail Scout drone kit for free, a drone that docks and charges inside the vehicle and integrates with the infotainment screen for live off-road surveillance. You can scout trails, find paths, or just enjoy some breathtaking aerial views right from your dashboard. So, what do you think of the new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45? Has Toyota nailed the balance between retro soul and modern muscle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This was Auto Show, bringing you the latest, boldest, and most exciting automotive stories. Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. And remember, legends don't die, they evolve. See you in the next video.